When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy, so when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.